So this is a Lego sheep. He looks all yellow, and this is my first YouTube channel. And my name is Caleb. And this is a sheep. I got it from the sheep carrier. I just took it off him. He was a good worker. So sad. And this is my marriage hog car. It is this thing is a hog, and also this is the marriage pack. This is the music. This is the screen. It's for someone fancy inside, and also this is where the person drives. I'll show you. Like for example, this is just. It took a long time for me to clean. I'm sitting down here. We're gonna go to the next one, which you will be amazed. I hope. And mostly some of them don't fit with the roof on top. So sad, the rain can go on them. This actually this just has a person fit. And so this can be a racing car. This is a mostly I destroyed all my bricks, and I'm so lazy. This is why you just felt a lot of colors, and this is my there's a wireless person. He has a helmet, no face, but this is his belly button. And if you hear me say belly button, please don't record that. This is the helmet. I think I'm done explaining this. I also got my desert car. Desert rider car. I'll give you an example. Any more examples? Just gonna choose the same guy. Get out of the car. Get out. Sorry. He doesn't look good in it. Ah! Oh! Don't fail! There. See? Almost see? When you turn it like this, it looks like a person's head. Let's just leave him there. This is my satellite. Just before Joe because it can move. Just sorry. I'm getting mad. And this is the signal point, and this is how it gets in. I'll just use Benny for example. Hey, turn to your happy face. I don't want your sad face in this video. Be happy. You're gonna be on live. Hello. So he's over here. This is how you turn. And then you get inside. And then that's it. Yeah, mostly that's not all. I got this robot. Here's my technology. He's mostly a security guard. An alien with just have human features but with the fin on top. And also I put the samurai sword here. I connected. I hope I'll make more videos. Remember that. It's subscribe. And it's not the end of the show yet. Come on. Look, it's so fragile. Here. Sorry. Here. Alright, and I have more. It's also gym thing I do not even know. I'll give you an example. Like this Power Ranger running to destroy people. But he needs to exercise. Here, I show you a little clip about him. Sorry, Power Ranger. Beep, boop. And then he has to hold on to this. And then run. See? Now get off, you Power Ranger. I do not need you anymore. I hope. Oh no. Huh? I still have more! I have 2 carriage. This one is the ordinary one that has a brick, and this one has, because I haven't finished building it. So sad. And also I got this egg. It's on the ground. Not real then. Ah! And also I got some. Oh, what? Well, no, I don't need to show this. This is a failure. And this is my cannon blaster. Pew! And that's all. Bye bye. Subscribe to my channel. I hope I make a new one.